Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 970 and I'm gonna show you how to download and install the applications on this watch. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application, and also I recommend to connect your watch to the Wi-Fi network because it's going to make things a lot more convenient. And to connect it to the Wi-Fi network, simply open the menu by pressing and holding the up button, then tap on the watch settings, then scroll down and find the connectivity and tap on it, and here find the Wi-Fi, tap on it, make sure it is enabled, then tap on My Networks, and if you don't have any networks right here, I have one, but if you don't have any, tap on Search for Networks, find the network you want to connect to, tap on it, and enter the password for it. And once you enter the password, it will connect to the network and it will appear right here. And once you have the network connection, we can continue and go to the phone that is paired with our watch. And on that phone, we need to download and install the Connect IQ Store application. And you can download it on the iPhone and also on Android, so it's not the problem. So make sure you have the internet connection on the phone as well. Open the App Store, in my case Google Play Store because I'm using Android, but you can use the App Store on iPhone as well. Tap on Search, type in Connect IQ, and as you can see I already have it installed, but if you don't, tap on Install and then tap on Open after it's done. Actually, let me reopen it because I want to see the main page. And once you open the app, you will see some pop-ups about the permissions. Allow them, then continue with your account, and once you see the home page, you can now browse through the different categories of stuff like watch faces, apps, and stuff like that. I'm gonna tap on Search and select the apps category, which will narrow my search only to apps. And now we can find something we want to install. I don't know, for example, let's say Google Maps. Tap on the app you want to install. Here we have info about it, description, reviews, screenshots, additional information like latest version. You can also check if your watch is compatible by tapping on compatible devices. And then scrolling down through the list and look for the Forerunner 970. And it is here, so it means that the watch is compatible with this app. And then you can tap on Install, allow the required permission, and the app will be queued for the installation. This might take a while, so basically you can just start it and leave it. And at some point you will see this pop-up about the maps being installed or in the app as well. And once the application is done installing, you can then press Start button to open the Activities menu. And here on the list of apps, the application you installed should appear, and you can tap on it to open it, but this one requires to basically set up the Google Maps also on the phone and connect it with your watch for it to work. But it is installed, and that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.